This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Town Realty property video is presented by Christine Parrish. Beautiful 5-bedroom home with a bed and bath downstairs, and high ceilings for a dramatic look. There is an open floor plan with a grand entrance foyer, formal living room and dining room. The finished room over the garage can be a great media or recreation room or your 5th bedroom. The home has an in-ground saltwater swimming pool and large deck, all new in 2018, with plenty of room to entertain. Wood floors throughout the first floor and new carpet in the entire upstairs. The dishwasher and cooktop and ovens were upgraded in 2018 to 2020. For more information, review the details below or contact Christine Parrish at 757-816-7000.